Hello, this week in this video we'll see how to update plugins, themes and WordPress core in our WordPress installation. Before going with the update, you should take a backup and in previous video. And in previous video we have seen how we can enable automatic backups using Updraft Plus and set up offset backups. In case of server failure or any other misconfiguration of server, you will have your website backup in another place. You can ready to start with your website again. You won't lose all of your work. So here I'm going with the update. Here you can see we have two updates. You can just click on this updates button from admin dashboard or also from front end. You can see these two updates. You can just click on here. It will take to updates WordPress backend. Here also you'll have updates. I have two updates, and here you can see one plugin update. That is one plugin update, and I'm choosing this plugin, update plugins. It's updating the plugin Zpack. It's enabled maintenance mode for updating plugin. After updating the plugin, it will disable this maintenance mode, and our site works as usual. It will take just a couple of seconds to update it. So try to access this website. Briefly unable for scheduled maintenance. It's in maintenance mode. Disabling maintenance mode and plugin updated. You can see the details. Here it's downloaded from this URL, unpacked it, installed the latest version and removed old version of the plugin. The plugin updated successfully. If I reload this page, we should access our website. It's working, and I'll update the theme also. For core WordPress also it's a similar. You just see an update. Click on update now button. It will update the WordPress. Here it's updated. You can see I have updated theme in WordPress and also plugin. You can follow the same process, but before following it, you should have a backup